Hey friends, if reCAPTCHA is not working on Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first solution will be to disable VPN and proxy. And how will we do that? So uh, for VPN, you'll have to contact the VPN provider. But as for proxy, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Okay, this will open the internet properties window. Now go to the connections tab, check LAN settings, and then you can find this option here which says automatically detect settings. Make sure that this is checked, and how to use a proxy server should be unchecked. Click on apply and then on OK. The next solution is to check the internet connection speed. So here's what you have to do. You can go to this website which is fast.com and hit enter. Wait for it to show the internet speed. It should be good enough for the captcha to work. And lastly, what if a virus has infected your system, because that is something that can prevent the captcha from working. So here's what you have to do. Search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security. Go to the virus and threat protection tab, select scan options, select full scan, scroll down and click on scan now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.